Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Palakpak ka dyan. Alright? Ang hiling mo palakpak, masunog ang balay. Oh, palakpak. Palakpak pa ng people. Wherever it starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean cuts the shore, holds me low, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, sway with me, sway with me. When you have your way with me, stay with me, sway with me. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I would like to welcome you here for our fabulous venue of MLI Function Hall to Rio Davao City for the celebration of Nenia and Edmar wedding reception. Alright, our couple will extend their heartfelt gratitude for when we are celebrating their momentous event in their lives being a couple. Once again, we are so very happy and thankful because we are to be part of this momentous event in their life being a couple. Once again, how about we start this with a big round of applause. Wala mo pala, hindi na mapalakpakan ko dyan. Before anything else, I would like to present myself. I am your Barbie host, stand-up comedian all the way from Davao City. This is your Barbie host, Lady. What's show? Wala bang hiyaw? Alright, but of course, dahil isang stand-up comedian performer ang nasa ating harapan, later on, kung meron man po kung masasabing hindi kaaya-aya sa ating mga pandinig, isa lang po masasabi. Kasi ipanggutom raman. Alright, and of course, this afternoon, mother people, as we celebrate this momentous event in the life of Edmar and Nenia, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the very most important person to the life of our couple, no other than the parents of our couple. Now we welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Wilson Gan and Mrs. Susan Gan. Wala bang yaw palakpakan? Thank you so much. Ayan, and there you have it. Palakpakan po natin the parents of our couple. And now let's have Mr. Eduardo Cavite and Mrs. Rosita Pataliho. Alright, so natingala si Mami Mi, natingala ka Gami. Alright, there you have it. Once again, thank you so much, Mami Sir. Pwede na po kayo bumalik sa iyong pinagkukuhan. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's give a round of applause, please, to the parents of our both, Ms. Pina Bintulan and Mr. Romeo Bintulan. And we have here also Mrs. Melba Gan and Mr. William Gan. Together with Mrs. Patricia Piodos and Ariel Piodos. We have here also Mrs. Pinita Becky and Mr. Fernando Becky. Together with Mrs. Genevieve Reita and Mr. Melencio Reita. We have here also Mrs. Leonora Piedos and Mr. Bobby Gan. Together with Mrs. Virginia Advicla and Mr. Wenceslao Nalzaro. Together with Mrs. Consuelo Amugis and Mr. Siveri. Later on. And at this point of time, ladies and gentlemen, let us turn our attention to our parade of entourage. Dahil kakaiba po ang mangyayari sa ating parade of entourage, ladies and gentlemen, as our bridesmaids, groomsmen, maid of honor, and best man will do their TikTok dance. moves. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to our parade of interrupts. And once again, let's start with our team Groom Squad. Jerry, Good Junior, Wilson Yan Junior, Ace Mendiola, Junior, Patalingua, Emmanuel Shadow, Gabriel Jan, together with... Wait lang po, ma'am, lalagay, ma'am. Groom Squad ang una, ma'am. Ma'am, usap taan sa pinakauna. Kapuya, mahimong bayot. Uy! Oh, yan. Di na mo kabalusin mong pangalan ba? Ibang gutom na. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome our parade of entourage. Let's start with our team, Groom Squad. Harry Catalino Jr., Wilson Black Jr., Ace Mendiola, Cedric Patalingua, Emmanuel Chato, Gabriel Yan, together with their best man, Lola Patalingua. Asa mamong siguro kung nagpasok sa graduation. Dali sa ako sa center. Mura mo nag-graduation, ani ko. Oh, what to inform? Alright? And of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, our group squad ay magbibigay po ng kanilang TikTok dance moves. Alright? And 3, 2, 1, music, DJ!
Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina.
Alright, so we have the ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Ikaw ang first honor. Our attention to our parade of team, Groom Squad, team, Bright Squad. Help me welcome Miss Celeste, Calvin, Christina, Juliana, Felix, Maria Teresa Don, Olivia Famide, Camille Patalingua, Kyla May Patalingua, together with her maid of honor, Shania Yukman. Hapit na mo, ma'am. Hapit na mo magkadungan. Alright, thank you so much to our very energetic and lovable bridesmaids. Palakpakan po natin, madlang people. Right, maraming salamat. Wala tingala dito sila, eh. And a wait on this husband and wife. Without further ado, may I request everyone to please stand up. Tumayo po tayong lahat. Once again, tumayo po tayong lahat. As we welcome, ladies and gentlemen, our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Edward and Nina. Walang hiyaw pa na patay. Dahil ngayong hapon, ang ating newlywed couple ay magpapakitang gilas din with a
Pagodos.
Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's give a round of applause, please, to our newlywed couple. At this point, baka na po muna dahil at this point, we're going to have our opening prayer. May I request Ma'am Melly Kalusag. Ma'am Melly Kalusag.